Sing-sang, Tsai Leho! My name is Tina Salcido, age 36 years old. I am from Island Garden City of Samar, Philippines. I am married. I have one son, age 9 years old, and 4 daughters, ages are 18 years old, 14 years old, 11 years old, and the youngest is running 3 years old. My educational attainment was high school graduate. My hobbies are playing instrument, baking, and planting. I am a pet lover also. I have 1 dog and 1 cat. My expertise are childcare and doing household chores. I work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia from December 2015 to January 2018. I serve 1 couple and 3 children ages 9 years old, 7 years old, and 2 years old. My duties are taking care for the kids, ironing, cleaning, cooking, and doing laundry. I work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia again from May 2018 to September 2020. I serve 1 couple and 2 children ages 28 years old and 18 years old. My duties are cooking, cleaning, ironing, and doing laundry. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family. And I'm willing to take care of elderly and newborn baby. And I know how to sing the nursery song like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. To my future employer, Ma'am and Sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I am a hardworking, honest, obedient, and have a long patience. I promise to be a good housemaid. I promise to prioritize my job, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.